So today we're going to talk about the PPF, the Public Provident Fund. Okay, what is the benefit, the login period, the tax benefits, the documents required to open the PPF account, and everything and much more. Okay, let's start. So PPF account, as you know, Public Provident Fund, it comes with a lock-in period of 15 years. Okay, and there is another catch. You can extend the lock-in period to 20 years. It's your choice, but 15 years is mandatory. After 15 years, you will get a choice to withdraw entire money, or you want to extend your PPF account for another 5 years. So you will get a lock-in period of 15 years, 20 years. Now comes to the interest. You will get a 7.1% annually interest rate for the entire lock-in period. Like if you opt for 20 years of lock-in period or 15 years of lock-in period, you will get 7.1% of interest rate in 2024. Now comes to the risk. There is no risk. Okay, it is guaranteed by the central government, so you don't not need to worry. You'll get entire money and the interest at the end of the 15 years. 100% guarantee given by the central government that you will get your money for sure, though it has lower risk, so don't need to worry. Okay, now comes to the tax benefits. Okay, after the 15 years you will get your money like principal plus interest tax free. You don't need to pay any tax on the amount you will get after the maturity. Okay, not in interest and not in the principal amount. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, the second tax benefit is income tax benefit. Let me explain you with the example. Like you are earning 10 lakhs per annum and you are investing 1.5 lakhs in PPF account, so your effective income would be 8.50 lakhs. In 8.50 lakhs you have to pay the tax, not on the entire 10 lakhs. That is the tax benefit you will get. That is mentioned in a section 80C. You can claim the tax. Okay, and how to withdraw your money before the maturity, which before 15 years. Okay, so let me clear you. You cannot withdraw your entire money before the lock-in period, before the 15 years of lock-in period, but you can withdraw 50% of your balance in the PFF account when your PFF account is 5 years old. Like you invested today and your account is, then you can withdraw 50% after the 5 years is completed. So only the 50% you can withdraw. You cannot withdraw entire money. With a valid reason only you can withdraw your money. Okay, that's for sure. And how to open means the documents required to open the PPF account is uh, identity proof is like Aadhaar card, voter ID card, driving license, etc. And the second is PAN card, and the address proof, nominee information, and the photo, passport size photo. That's all you required for the open a PPF account. Okay.